कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Recording. Okay, fine children. So we are with the active and passive voice. Okay. And as I told you, when the subject is the doer of the action, it is called active voice. When the subject is the receiver of the action, it is called passive voice. In the simple sentence over here, see, it is said Ram helps Sita. Okay. Ram helps Sita. Who is Ram here? He is the subject. Okay. What is he doing? He is helping. And whom is he helping? Sita. So, if we want to take it, this is an active voice, right? Now, here what happens when we are going to take it in the passive voice is we're going to take Sita over here, that is she will be the subject. Sita is helped by Ram. Generally, in the passive voice, we need to put the word by. Okay. Now both the sentences have the same meaning and the same construction. Okay, but the construction is a bit of different. First sentence, what happens? The first sentence, subject is Ram, he is the doer. He is doing something. What is he doing? He is doing the action of helping someone, and that is Sita. Okay. Now the verb expresses the action done by the subject. What is the verb over here? Helps. Okay. Verb is helps. So the verb expresses the action done by the subject and subject is Ram. Okay. Subject is said to be in the active voice. So what did I say? When the subject is the doer, in a very simple definition I gave you, is the doer of the action, it is called as active voice. And when it is the receiver of the action, it is called passive. For example, who is receiving help here? Ram. Okay. So Sita is help. Sorry, here. Ram helps Sita. So Sita is helped by Ram. Okay. Let us go to the next. You will understand. In the second sentence, the subject is Sita. Okay. Unless and until we put it in a subject, you can't make the passive voice. I will give you another sentence. You will understand better. The simpler one. Okay. Sita is receiving the action. So and something is done to her. That is, she is being helped. Okay. So she is being helped. Let us see the definition here. The verb that expresses what is done. What is done to the subject is said to be in the passive voice. I just said in a simple definition, the passive voice, the subject is the receiver of the action. Okay. Now, so voice is what is the form of the verb. So, in short, what you have to understand, it is the FORM form of the verb which shows whether the subject does something, okay, it is doing something, or the subject has something done to it. Have you seen this difference? Whether the subject does something or something has something done to it, right? Examine the changes over here from the active to the passive. Let's see. Active, he loves me. I am loved by him. Have you seen the word by? So, he loves me. This is the subject. Okay, here is the pronoun he. Okay, this is the verb, and here is the what is that? Object. He loves me. I am loved by him. They are cheering the king. What do you mean by cheering? Making the king happy. The king is being cheered. Now see here, a very important thing which you have to keep in mind. See the tense here, they are cheering. So what type of tense is this? Present,
Present
present,
continuous.
very good.
Present continuous tense.
Present continuous
Present
tense.
continuous tense.
Yes, my dear. So the king is being, being. यहाँ पर being का जगह में आप BEEN लिखोगे तो it is wrong. Be careful. Okay. The king is being cheered. When you are writing is being here, have you seen the past tense here? Is being cheered by them. Okay, the hunter shot the tiger. The tiger was shot. Why it is said was shot? This shot itself is the past tense. So the tiger was shot by the hunter. Ravi will teach the child. Now this is in the what voice? Future. Okay. I'm so sorry, not voice tense. Future. So he will teach. So the child will be taught. Remember the helping verb will be taught by Ravi. Okay. Now the points which we have to keep in mind. Okay. Voice is changed into passive. First step. Remember the first step what we have to keep in mind. Active. All of your books are with you, right? Yes or no? Textbooks,
Yes,
notebooks,
ma'am.
पेन्स पेंसिल
Yes,
सारा
ma'am.
सारा
Yes,
चीजें
ma'am.
अपने पास रखो ठीक है the object of the action active verb is put in the subject position not position subject position what the object now the object me okay this is of the previous sentences whatever we saw king tiger etc child of the sentence in the active voice are made the subjects of the sentences in the passive. Okay, this you have to keep in mind. Now, that is only transitive verbs can be used. Now, here we are, see, transitive verbs. Now, again, what is grammar actually, my dear children? Everything is connected. We saw only nouns and their kinds. So, it is upon you to take care of each and every part of speech and what all its kinds or types हमने सिर्फ noun देखा you have to see the pronoun also just we did it now pronoun noun pronoun verb we have not seen but you know the form two types of verbs are transitive and intransitive okay that day yesterday I just gave the examples of transitive and intransitive be careful. So all that you have to see on your own. Those children who are not caring much for the English subject, be very careful. Try to work harder. Okay. Step two is what? Passive form of the verb is to be supplied means to be provided. Am loved is being cheered, was shot, and will be taught. Okay. Replace what? Replaces love, are cheering, short, and will teach. That was quite clear in your sentences. Now, step three, what we have to remember. Number of the verb is changed according to the number of persons. Number of person of the subject. First sentence what? The active voice loves agreed with he. He loves, she loves, it loves, but they love. Have you seen? Singular means loves. Okay. But in the passive voice, it becomes a subject and the verb is changed to I am loved to agree with the subject. We have to agree with the subject. Therefore, there are some things to be changed when you are going to the passive voice. As in when we do the exercises, you will remember better. Now this table shows you very clearly. Subject to the verb in the active voice is made the object of the verb in the passive voice and is introduced with the preposition or with some other suitable preposition. Children, this particular table you will draw in your book. It is very simple. See here. The first we have to see, we have to divide subject, verb and object Here subject is he, verb is helps, and object is me. When you go to the passive voice, what happens? I, okay, me turns into I. Subject, I helps, am helped, okay, by him. So here he becomes him in the passive voice. Okay. So subject verb object by plus object here. Subject verb object. And the passive subject verb by plus object. This you keep in mind, that is the passive form. That is, it should be in agreement with the number of person of the subject. This rule is to be kept in your mind. Okay. So if you draw this, it will be good for you, and you are going to what to say, going for the exercises, right? What happened? Okay. Okay, here. Now passive forms of the verb. Verb has three tenses as we saw. Present tense, okay, and past and future. Now it is quite obvious. Present will be the present time, okay. Past and future time, right? And each tense has the following four forms. As we know, in the tense, that is, even the tense has to be what to say, revised by you. I can't sit and do each and everything, because all these things you have seen in the smaller classes. Okay, as we have seen, simple present, okay, then simple present, past and future. As you know, simple present, simple past, simple future. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, and future. Then present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous, as you all know it, right? Then first three forms of these, except the future continuous. The first three except the future continuous tense have the passive forms of the verbs, and perfect continuous forms of the three tenses do not have any passive voice forms. So therefore we have to study the table which is given. Okay. Now including the first table, we should, that means you all should do this also. Like for example, simple is going to the right, he writes, and passive, what will come? A letter is written. Continuous is writing, and letter is being written. That one is, I think, this cut away. Perfect. He has written. The form of is here is, it is has. Perfect. He has written, and the letter has been written. Okay, by is there always. Perfect continuous, he has been writing. When we go to the exercises, all these you have to keep in mind. Perfect continuous, he has been writing. See this continuous, the ing form is there. It is the same, it's not being given over there, right? Now go to the next. Active, he wrote. Past tense. He wrote and was written. Have you seen? He wrote a letter was written. Why you are saying was written? Because here we have the PST past tense. Continuous, he was writing, and here was being written. In the present it was is being written, in the past you write was being written. ओके, WRITTEN, यहाँ पर एक सिंगल टी नहीं होगा, दो टी होगा, बी केयरफुल. Perfect. He had written a letter. See, perfect he had written. Why? Because it is past. The letter had been written by him. And here had been writing. Okay. In the past continuous, had perfect continuous. In the past tense, had been writing a letter. Now let's go to the next. Future, he will write a letter. Passive, he will be, a letter will be written. Have you seen? Will be written by him. See the form of this. He will write here and a letter will be written. Okay. Continuous, he will be writing. The ing form is in the continuous. Okay. Here we don't have, he will be writing. And here, okay, we don't have the passive there. Now here, perfect, he will have written. यहाँ पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब का फॉर्म देखो, he will have written and a letter will have been written. Perfect continuous, he will have been writing. देखो ये सारी चीजें देखने जाओ ना, it is little bit tough, but when you will writing the exercises and the children who are obedient are going to write down exercises, वहां पर ना तुम वो कंटाला वर्ड जो है ना, वो जो शब्द वो ट्रैश पैन में डालना है, ठीक है. डोंट कीप ऑल दैट, यू आर हैविंग इनफ टाइम नाउ, प्रैक्टिस करना ही होगा आपको. ही विल हैव बीन राइटिंग, ओके, अ लेटर. दैट इज व्हाट इन द फ्यूचर perfect continuous tense. Now how passive form of the verbs are formed, what we should remember, three principal forms. Principal मतलब main. Present tense right, past tense wrote and past participle. बच्चे सी आपका जो पिछले साल का बुक है ना, 8th standard, you have this, even in this we have, but you have to go to the chapter of tense, right? Now write, wrote, written, okay. These three particular tenses, if you know, it will be very easy. Present, past and past participle बहुत important है. Like ring. See, for example, I'll give you one word, ring, ring. Ring. What will come? Ring,
Rang rang.
Rang,
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 run.
rang, rang.
Very good. Run, run, run.
Run,
Ran,
ran, run.
Rang
ran,
rang.
ran, run.
Yes. Run, ran, and run, take. Okay. Fine. So like that, please go to the tense chapter, verbs, and you will have to keep that in mind. There are strong and weak verbs also. Be careful. So there is no passive form of a verb in the perfect continuous forms for all the three tenses. ये याद रखो आप. Okay, there is no passive form of this perfect continuous tense. There is no passive form of the verb in the continuous form of the future tense. The last word of any passive form of the verb, right, will be the verb's past participle form, and that is WRITTEN, written. Okay. Now as you can see, these are all the rules. Okay, simple past, present, future and all that. Written is preceded by the verb, am, is and all. Just take care of this. You read this. Okay. And you will understand this. I am just going to, because these are all things which you have already learned, I am just going as a revision for you. Please read out this, and whatever is important you underline with the pencil. Let us go to the next page. Okay, this is another thing, a table which you should keep in mind. The past participle verb write will change into the past participle written and will be preceded by am. Am is, are, was, were, be, being or been. Write is written. Okay. Shall write. Will be writing. Will be written. Was writing. Was being written. Had written, had been written. Okay, keep this all in mind. When we are going to do the exercises, let's see how your verb, object of the verb, object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject. Now keep this in mind. Object becomes the subject of the verb in the passive, as we have already seen. He writes a letter is active. A letter has been written by him. Okay. Necessary that the verb of the active should have an object. Remember, it should have an object. Otherwise, what will happen? The sentence cannot be changed into passive. So, an object is required. Okay. Let us see. When active verbs has two objects. Active verb has two objects. Active verb has two objects, one direct and the other indirect. Either of them becomes the subject and the other remains the retained object. Retained means got. Let's see. In the passive voice, he told me a story. A story was told to me by him. Retained. I was told a story by him. Simple. See, a story was told to me by him, and I was told a story by him. This is directly also you can write. Me is the in the first sentence and the story in the second sentence are the retained objects. What is that? What is the retained? Me in the first sentence. What is the first? Here. And in the okay, sentence story in the second. Story. I was told a story. What is that? Retained object. So a story was told to me. Here, this is the object. Story was told to me by him, and I was told a story by him. So when it changes into passive, what changes take place, that is very important. Mr. Roy will give you a present. A present will be given to you by Mr. Roy, and you will be given a present by Mr. Roy. And here we should note that in modern English passive voice, sentences often begin with the indirect object. Okay. Now let us see this. Passive voice is used when the subject is made in the prominent. Prominent means main. The passive, the object, it is to be made prominent as, that is the example. He hit the ball, a ball was hit by him. Passive is preferred, the passive voice is preferred to the active voice. See, passive voice is preferred means is liked to the active voice preferred when in the following. When the doer is not known. First point. When it is not intended, not thought of, to name him as patient, the patient was carried home, the patient is well provided with corn, the town is well provided with corn, sorry. The patient was carried home, the town is well provided by with corn. Now let us see what they want to say here. When the doer is not known. Here we are not knowing who carried the patient. The town is well provided by corn. We don't know who is the provider. Okay? Or when it is not intended name. It is not necessary. It is not required that the subject we mention. Therefore, they are not mentioning. When the subject to the active is clear from the context matlab from the sentence you will understand what the context is. What is the connectivity of it with something else. As she was dismissed. Subject, her mistress. Okay. We can start the sentence with the most important words in this as a favorable impression has been created by the prompt action taken by the government. Now, as and when we do the examples, you will be knowing better. When we mean to take a greater interest in the sufferer than in the doer of the action. See here, what they're saying? When we mean to take greater interest in the sufferer than the doer. Sometimes no, we when it is the doer is the sufferer of the action. It is said. Okay, the boat was wrecked in the storm. Wrecked means destroyed. So the boat was wrecked. Whom we go to, Shakespeare's whom? Whose ship was wrecked in the storm?
And
Yes. कौन है वो गणेश? गणेश बोल रहे हो?
yes, ma'am.
Very good. I recognized your voice. Antonius, fine. You wrote also there. Sometimes no, your answers I'm feeling so funny. Your answers were irrelevant. पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ चला गया फिर भी ओके जो वो वेंचर्स है ना वेंचर्स डेयरिंग एक्सप्लॉइट्स डायरेक्टली आप लोग शिप लिखते हो व्हाट इज वेंचर्स डायरेक्टली आप बिजनेस लिखते हो BUSINESS या तो शिप यही था आपका आंसर बट व्हाट आई थॉट ठीक है बच्चे ने कुछ तो लिखा दो में से आई हैव गिवन वन रियली आप सिर्फ हाफ के लायक हैं थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए आपको ठीक है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ठीक है he buys a book is bought now I will tell the active you tell me the passive whether you look the screen or you just on your own let's see he buys a book.
A
A
book
book
is bought
was
by her.
A
bought
book
by
is
her.
bought by her.
A book is
Okay. The last girl who answered that is Sinha.
Yes,
Shreya?
ma'am.
Yes, so I could recognize your voice. Certain voices are recognizable. This pot contains ink.
Ink is
Ink
contained
is
in
contained
contained
in
this
this
the
pot.
pot.
Okay. He disgusts me.
I
I
am
am
disgusted
I
by
am
him.
disgusted with
disgusted by
him.
him.
Bachas, give me the meaning. What is of disgust? ये disgust और disguise अलग है, okay? Disguised है वो अलग चीज है एक ना और disgust मतलब क्या?
Boring,
Yuck, something
उसमें बच्ची को क्या बोले तुम?
not good.
What is it?
I'm feeling yuck.
क्लियर नहीं होता है आवाज. It is ringing in the ear. Keep the microphone little far. He disgusts me means simple. इसका simple meaning बताओ. बोलो girls या boys दोनों में से कोई भी एक. Anyone? What you told me, Gully? That is
Boring,
boring नहीं.
I'm feeling yuck.
What did you say?
Feeling yuck like
Oh, don't use the word yuck. Today's modern English yuck. It is not that. Disgust means okay, fine. He hates, right? He hates. Don't say yuck. Okay. Or he dislikes me. Okay. So I am disliked by him. Disgusting person. Like okay.
disapproval.
Okay, fine. That would be okay. Disapproves. That's very good. Who is that girl?
Anushka.
I'm Manasvi.
Manashri said, Anushka said, the boys are not answering because it is he is disgusting. कौन है boys पे answer करना चाहिए. These are only simple examples, boys. Ganesh, why are you not answering? What do you mean by disgust, Ganesh?
I'm hate.
Hates, yes, simple. Hates, fine. Where is Swam is not answering now. Where is Swam gone?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, good boy. And where is Tanish? He never answers. I'm very angry with him. Tanish? Where is Tanish? Girl? Tanish, I talked to your mom, okay? You're not answering. Tell me I'm Tanish here. Tanish is present or absent? Absent, na?
Yes, ma'am, absent.
Absent. Acha. See now, today nice. He will get nice pastings from his mom. His mom is my sister. She's my friend. Okay. He wrote a letter. Read a letter. Come on, children, you answer me. A letter.
A letter was
A
written
letter
by
was written by him.
Written by him.
अच्छा ये रिटर्न में सिंगल टी नहीं डालोगे. बच्चे यहाँ पर मिस्टेक करते हैं. ठीक है. तो सिंगल टी डालने बदले डबल टी डालोगे. रिटन बाय हिम. The little girl laughed at the beggar.
The beggar
The
was
Pepper
laughed
was
the
at
beggar was laughed at by the little girl.
अच्छा अगर ये सेंटेंस सामने बोर्ड के ऊपर या तो स्क्रीन में नहीं आता तो भी आप आंसर कर पाते हैं. क्योंकि ये जो शब्द है ना 80 एट बच्चे नहीं लिखते. और सेंटेंस है ना आपको डायरेक्टली जीरो मिल जाता है. इंग्लिश टू दैट इज व्हाट डू से योर प्रोज पोएट्री ड्रामा में वैसे भी आप मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हो मगर ग्रामर में अगर सही सही लिखना है तो प्रैक्टिस इतना जरूरी है. चिल्ड्रन कान खोल के सुनो. 40 ऊपर पेपर्स थे और उसमें से सिर्फ 5-6 बच्चे जो हैं आप लोग ही आंसर करते. बाकी के सारे कहाँ गए? You're absent in the class? Why your mouths are kept dumb? D-U-M-B, dumb? Dumb मतलब क्या पता है ना? Dumb
Yes,
means
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ वो this Ganesh all your brothers ना जो मूंगे बैठे हैं वो सबको बोलो आप लोग को आंसर करना चाहिए. धनश्री, अनुष्का, श्रेया वगैरह जो भी सारे लड़कियां हैं all your friends your sisters को बोलो you have to participate. Children, what is teaching? Teaching is a two-way traffic. TRAFFIC. वो ट्रैफिकर्स नहीं है वो शेक्सपियर का ट्रैफिकर्स नहीं है. टू वे ट्रैफिक में क्या होता है? वन टीचर विल स्पीक एंड अदर स्टूडेंट्स विल स्पीक. स्टूडेंट्स मतलब यू बच्चेस. ठीक है. अगर आप लोग नहीं पार्टिसिपेट करोगे द टीचर विल गेट यू नो व्हाट गेट टायर्ड. अच्छा 5 सितंबर आ ही रहा है. आपका स्कूल्स चालू होते तो यू वुड हैव बिकम टीचर मगर 7 डे में ओनली 11th स्टैंडर्ड इज बिकमिंग. दूसरे सारे स्कूल्स में एवरीबॉडी द हाई स्कूल इज बिकमिंग. ठीक है. यू नो व्हाट माय डियर चिल्ड्रन मुझे आपको एक चीज बताना है. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू पुट योर लेग इन समवन्स शू. आपका पैर किसी और का शू में डालना बहुत तकलीफ वाला काम है. दिक्कत वाला काम है. When 5th सितंबर जब 5th सितंबर आता है ना अब जब आप लोग टीचर्स बनते हो then you will come to know the difficulty of a teacher. Then you will know okay we have to do it this way because when you go to small छोटा बच्चा's class then it's very difficult. ठीक है. What I want to say is very simple. You have to work very hard. Okay children. Okay let's go to the next. They knew it.
It was known
It
by
was
them.
known by them.
Very good. Now can we do first boys then girls like that part by part? Mohan.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Girls now
Okay,
close your mouth. Let that Ganesh and group tell answer. Right? Ganesh, your whole group will answer. Mohan will learn. Mohan will learn the lesson.
The lesson will be learned.
by the Mohan.
By the कहाँ से आया my dear? वो जो th बोलने वाला जो बंदा है ना my dear कौन था वो? Please tell me the name. Tell me name. You people have written the Bassanio, the Antonio, the Portia. सारे चीजें लिखोगे then you will get mistake. So in front of proper noun don't write the article the. ठीक है. So the lesson will be learnt by Mohan. See the here helping verb will be learnt and here have you seen the word the usage T not D. So be careful the lesson will be learnt by Mohan. ठीक है. Okay now girls chance right. I shall write a letter.
A letter will be
will
written by me.
will be written by me.
Fine. Now you see in the active voice it's written I shall write. And when it comes to the passive, a letter will be written by me. Now, my dear boys and girls, now you understood how co-connected is grammar, for which you will go to the chapter which is describing you shall and will. Okay, this is very important as I'm telling you all these now. You have to go through these chapters as and when you are free at home, at leisure. Okay, please don't forget. These are all my minor things for you, but it makes a large thing for you because you will gain good marks. They do not play the match, boys. Chance.
The match is not played by
The
them.
match is not played by them.
Ganesh is first, and the other one who is that Swayam who answered.
Ma'am Ayan.
Iron, okay. A by A and iron. Yesterday I was correcting a paper. Fine, you got 17 marks? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Work harder, okay? The match is not played by them. Fine. Now, girls, Sita did not sing a song.
A song
The
was
song
not
Song
sung
was
was
by
not
not
Sita.
sung
sung
by
by
Sita.
Sita.
Okay,
Song was not
children.
sung by the Sita.
That. Who is that girl, my dear? Last. What is that girl's name? Who said the last answer? You must have written the Antonio, the Bassanio, and the Portia. Please, for God's sake, don't put the in front of a proper noun. आपका आधा मार्क्स कट जाएगा. यही सेम मिस्टेक आप ग्रामर में करोगे ना तो 1 mark will be there out of which half mark will go. You will hardly get half mark. Be careful. Grammar is such scoring subject. आपने सही से लिखा ना तो you will get 5 on 5 or 10 on 10 like that. If you make a little bit of mistake, gone. So the song was not sung. Okay, which tense is this? Present, past, and
Past tense.
Past
Past
tense.
tense.
Past
what
tense.
we saw in the first sentence there? Past participle. Sing, sang, sung. Past participle. Okay, a song was not SUNG sung by Sita. Did you forget, my dear? How you forgot? Okay, let's go to the next. Boys, he will not beat the dog.
The,
The dog will
the
not be
dog
beaten.
will not be beaten by him.
Okay, will not be beaten by him. Okay, see the word there is beaten. Don't by mistake also don't write B-I. This is beat, B-E-A-T. Okay, girls, do you run a race?
Is a
Is a
race
race run by
by
you?
you?
Okay, is a race run by you? Big boys here, did he break the window pane?
Was the window
Was the
break
window pane broken by
broken by
him?
him?
Yes, was the window pane broken by him? So, yes. Now, will you help him, girls?
Will
Will
he
Will
be
he
helped
he
by
help
you?
help by you?
Will he be helped? Don't forget it is ed. Will he be helped by you? Now, here, if you forget ed, your half mark is gone. In reality, let me tell you the truth, in the board exam, they will not cut half, they are just going to give you 0. Why? Because थोड़ा भी mistake हुआ ना पूरा sentence में, even in one word, you are going to get a 0. So you can imagine how important it is to practice. अगर आपको एक बार लिखने से पता नहीं चलता, 2-3 बार लिखो और प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ. जैसे मैथ्स में करते हो ना वैसे इंग्लिश में प्रैक्टिस करना होता है. ठीक है, तो यू डू नंबर ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस. हु टीचेस यू इंग्लिश, गर्ल्स?
By
Me,
By
whom
ma'am.
are you
whom
taught English?
Yes.
taught English?
Girls पूछा the boys said. By whom are you taught English? Okay. Yes. Next one. See here. Continuous. Important. The masons are building a house. Girls,
The house is
The
being
house
The
is
built
house
by
being
is
the
being
built by
machine.
built
the
by the
machine.
machine.
have you seen the usage of is being built? Is being built, build नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? थोड़ा गौर से देखो, very important. Is being is there, okay? Because it is continuous and present continuous. So how can you understand it's present? Because masons are building. Okay. She was reading a book.
A book
Boys.
was read
A
by
book
her.
was read by her.
अच्छा, कौन है बच्चा? You are not seeing, looking the screen or directly are answering. Was read. Being कहाँ चला गया boys? Ganesh, all of the group said was read. Huh? So was being read. Be careful because we are doing the continuous tense. Okay. She was reading a book. Girls, you just answer me the same sentence. She was reading the
A
book.
book, a book
A
was
book
being
was
A book
read
was
by
being
her.
read by her.
her.
Was being read. Okay, boys, you forgot the word being. And was being read read. Spelling is same, but when you pronounce it is different. I am reading. See, read, read. यहाँ पर past tense है. Okay. Now she was not laughing at him. Boys, boys tell me.
He was not being laughed at by her.
Now
He was
see.
not being laughed at by her.
Yes, good. Now ये जो at है ना, आप लोग हमेशा भूल जाते हो. Sentence construction में be very careful. He was not being laughed at. Girls, remember, he was not being laughed at by her. He was not being laughed by her. अगर इस तरह लिखोगे, the whole sentence is wrong. So be careful. He was not being laughed at by her. From these illustrative examples, you are going to write 5 each. सारे exercise में से 5 each. सिर्फ illustrative examples. And उसके अलावा आप जो exercise करोगे ना, that is different. Be careful. Boys, are you organizing this debate?
Is this debate being
Is this
organized by
debate
you?
being organized by you?
Yes, good. Only 2 boys are answering. Was he not selling a horse, girls?
Was a horse not
Was
being
a horse
Was a
not
horse not
being
being
sold by
sold
him?
by him?
by him?
Have you seen the usage of was not being sold? And don't forget you have to put a question mark. Was a horse not being sold by him? जब आप पढ़ते समय ना, you have to have the question form over here, right? Okay. तो continuous tense तक हमने किया है, ठीक है? तो can you understand how important it is to learn
Yes,
this?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, जब आप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करोगे ना, तो we will start with perfect tense the next lecture. Okay. Thank you, children, and have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
You
ma'am.
man, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.